falls upon the water town. The window lights turn gold,
and little waves beneath the houses drift soft,
gentle and slow,
across the reeds and silver haze, where the quiet canals run.
A little city wakes in light as drifting day has come. Old wooden doors and narrow paths, small bridges worn and low,
and every house upon the water glows in the morning glow.
In the city on the water we wander, past the boats and lantern light,
Past the windows, past the doorways,
past the blue and silver tide. In this very unusual town, every old dream still can stay,
and the whole world turns so softly
as the water holds the day. Along the pathways made of wood, gray-haired neighbors stand,
sharing bread and cups of tea,
with warm and weathered hands. Some tie ropes beside the stairways, some sweep the morning rain,
and little bells from floating porches echo down the lane.
In the city on the water we wander, past the gardens, past the pier,
Past the windows bright with firelight,
past the calm of many years.
in this very unusual town,
Every small thing knows its place,
and the years drift slow as ripples
in the harbor's old embrace. At dusk the lanterns start to glow along the wooden sides,
one orange light beside a door.
shines warm across the tide.
A woman tends her potted flowers,
A man unties a boat,
and evening spreads its quiet shine on every roof afloat.
in the city on the water we wander, home through twilight soft and near,
Past the candles, past the windows,
past the gentle docks and pier. In this very unusual town, even old hearts drift and shine.
there's room for little
Там огромный,
wonders
просто какой, как
on
побежать
this
по воде.
floating street of
Ну а камень
time.
зато все.
So glow, little lantern glow,
Не, хороший. Я до конца прям
through the
прелесть.
night.
Одно удовольствие.
in the city on the water,
Every window holds the light.
Да, но там как бы два спрятанных озера.